Ever woken up to a world of new features on your Tesla, only to realize your app is still stuck in the past? Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, Tesla owners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tesla app updates. Let's get you up to speed. Your Tesla is more than just a car. It's a rolling piece of tech that's constantly evolving. And to keep up with all the cool new features, you need a Tesla app that's just as cutting edge. But how do you ensure you're always running the latest version? That's what we're here to figure out. Now, there are two primary ways your Tesla app can update, automatically or manually. Let's start with the automatic updates. Automatic updates. Most of the time, the Tesla app will update itself automatically when a new version is available. It's like magic, right? You don't have to lift a finger. But there are a few things to check to make sure this auto-update fairy is doing its job. Phone settings. Go to your phone's App Store settings. Ensure that the Tesla app is allowed to auto-update. Stable Wi-Fi. A strong, stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for smooth app updates. Background app refresh. Make sure the Tesla app is allowed to refresh in the background. This keeps it connected to Tesla's servers. Manual updates. Sometimes, you might want to force an update. Maybe you're impatient, or maybe you're troubleshooting an issue. Either way, here's how to do it. Open App Store, head over to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Tesla, find the Tesla app in your list of apps. Check for updates. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap it. Download and install. Let the app download and install the update. Troubleshooting update issues. If you're facing issues with app updates, here are a few things you can try. Force quit the app. Close the Tesla app completely and reopen it. Check for App Store issues. Ensure there are no temporary issues with the App Store or Google Play Store. Restart your phone. A simple restart can often resolve app-related problems. Delete and reinstall. If nothing else works, you might need to delete the app and reinstall it. But remember, you'll lose all your saved settings and data. Additional tips. Keep your phone updated. An outdated phone OS can sometimes interfere with app updates. Check for storage. Make sure your phone has enough storage space for the app update. Be patient. App updates can sometimes take a few minutes. Don't panic if it doesn't happen instantly. Keeping your Tesla app updated is essential for enjoying the full potential of your electric vehicle. By following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you can ensure that you're always in the know about the latest features and improvements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.